Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Alright, let's begin. So, let's open up our WhatsApp first. And now, once we are here, we need to tap on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we can get access into the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down a little bit, and click on the chat backup. And now, let me describe some features for you. Let's begin with the Google account. In here, basically, currently we have this account selected, and that means that on this account the backup will be stored. So, for example, in the future, if you want to restore the backup, you will need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. It is really important. Of course, if you want to change the account on which you are making the backup, click on Add Account. Now wait a little bit. In this bar, type your other Google account, and you can also create a new one if you want in here. Okay, now below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option will be set on off, just like that. But we have other options such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I set backup. So, for example, when I'll select the weekly mode, it means that each week the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually. So it is really convenient and comfortable option. If you want, you can enable it. Below we have option to include the videos. This option will be also turned off defaultly. I suggest you should also turn it on. Below we can see how many megabytes will be backed. And now on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore the backup in the future. So if you choose to create that password, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Alright, now once everything is selected and done, click on this green button, backup. Now the process will start, so let's wait. In my case, it's not gonna take much time because I don't have that many messages on my device. As you can see, it's already finished. You can see in here when the last backup was made. It was like 10 seconds ago. And below we can also see the size of it. Also make sure that you have some free storage space in your Google storage. Alright, and that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.